Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I am going to do a review, or basically I just want to show you some of the things I ran into in Ocean State job lots. And in the past I've spoken to you about greenhouses and cold frames and different things like that, and I want to show you a lot of the ones that they have in here. So let me go ahead and show you the wonderful variety they have and the great prices. Ocean State job lot. Here we go. You can always tell that you're at Ocean State job lot when you see the wall of seeds. Every year early, I mean, it's like 30 degrees outside and everything's here. And here they have, we used to call these a cold frame, but I guess it's called a greenhouse cloche. Cloche, isn't that cool? But you could fit quite a bit in there. And let me go ahead and show you up close here. Those are $39.99, so 40 bucks. And the size of them is 70 inches long, 36 inches tall, and 36 inches deep. Okay, you can see this rolls down, so at nighttime you can keep the frost out, because this time of year you still have quite a bit. But this is great. Look at all the plants you can put in there. And if you want something smaller, of course they have these stand-up ones. This is a plastic one for $69. And inside, oh, it looks like you can put water right there in the bottom. Little separate cells. I don't know too much about these. But it's a grow table, raised bed. Then here's another one. Raised planter bed with cover for $49. And you can see what that one looks like right there. I mean, great prices. Only $50 for something like this. And if you want to do the reading on everything, you get it right there. Or I should say even better looking there. And then over here, this is a 4-shelf greenhouse. It's a smaller one. Let's see, what is that? 62 inches tall, 27 inches wide. So let's go on down here and show you a few more different things they have. Well, that's one of those things to kneel on down there when you're working on plants. But and look at that, they have all the different supplies, the cups and trays. Those trays are nice. Actually, they're not that cheap. In the past, they've had kind of ones, but these are fairly sturdy for $2.50 each. The seed trays, ultraviolet lights, more seeds. But I want to go right over here. That 4-shelf greenhouse I showed you a little bit ago here. This is what it looks like put together. $31. You can see there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves on it. I actually, one year I had like 4 of these on my deck, and we had, it seemed to be like a hurricane, extremely strong winds. I had to tie them down. One of them I was a little too late, and I found it in the street. So you want to make sure you tie them down. And I actually tied the plastic to the poles, and then tied them in the back to the deck, to the railings of my deck. There's a raised plant bed. I think it's one of them we saw over there. Actually, that one's a little bit different for $49. Oh, looks like you could put plants and cups right in there and actually put water in it. So a self-watering type thing. Now this is their bigger greenhouse you have. This is a walk-in greenhouse for $75.99, so $76. And you can see they got plenty of them on hand this year. Now let's go inside and see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3 shelves if we want to use the bottom one. And 3 shelves on the other side. And this here straps up the door and zips all the way down. I actually had a couple of these 2 years ago, and they worked out really nice. 76.7 inches high. Yeah, and 56.3 inches wide. So it's kind of nice. Now that green line's going through it, it's actually like a string reinforced which is nice. The regular plastic ones, if it gets really windy like this here, they can tear, and sometimes the seams come undone. So if you do have a tear, they can just rip really easy. These, extremely strong. I've actually even cut some of them and made, like along the lines here, and made like little windows and put some tape, like duct tape around the edge so they wouldn't fray it at all, and held out pretty well when it got really warm and wanted some ventilation. Now here we got, look at all the different choices, huh? Raised garden bed. Another one here for $49. So you can use it just, I would try to put it sideways, but my whole picture will turn around. So you could use it just as a bed. And in the spring here, when it's so cold, you can put plastic over it. So that's pretty much what they have. Of course, it's all the sand and soil. It's a one-stop shop for your gardening needs. I sound like an advertisement. But take a look. Ocean State job lots. There's, I don't know if they're in your area, but I know just where I live in Biddeford, there's one. There's probably 3 of them within a 40-mile radius. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.